All right, so I'll be showing you how to pair your S Pen with your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10. So this could be the S10 Plus or S10 Ultra. So what you want to do is just flip the tablet over, and then you should see this line, and then also you will see a flat side on the S Pen. So you want to place it like this with a pointed side facing away from the cameras, and place that flat side on the tablet. It's going to attach magnetically, and it's going to get paired to your tablet. And then now you can take it off, and now you'll notice when you take it off, there's going to be prompts for you. All right, so now the tablet is usable. I mean, the S Pen is now usable. So now you can actually see this little icon every time you take the S Pen away from the back of the tablet. Simple as that. So you have your sketch to image, smart select, all that stuff. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.